How to fix ChatGPT not working. Let's get started. First, visit this website, status.openai.com. Navigate to the option ChatGPT. The issue might be on OpenAI's end. If there are any outages, maintenance, or degraded performance, you can wait until the problem will be resolved. Next, just refresh the page. ChatGPT can sometimes stall mid-load, especially if your internet blipped or the session timed out. Likewise, you can also log out and again log in back. If refreshing didn't help, it's time to clear your cache and cookies. Your browser might be holding onto outdated or corrupted data that's stripping things up. So click on three dots given at the top right, navigate to the option Privacy and Security, head over to the option Delete Browsing Data, check in for all these options, set time range to all time and click on Delete Data. Disable browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, VPNs, or privacy filters can break parts of ChatGPT. Temporarily disable them, especially anything that blocks scripts or trackers, and reload the site. Likewise, open ChatGPT in incognito mode, which disables most extensions by default. By following these steps, your ChatGPT will work. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.